Hello, my dear students, how are you? I'm very happy that I have a chance to talk to you directly. Really, I want to guide you something about your career that I know that most of the people who are watching this video, they are either medical students or young doctors, right? And as you know, there's pandemic in the world and there are a lot of misery due to the diseases and due to the discomfort. So as world is moving on, world needs a lot of great doctors, and great doctors, doctors which are having clear concepts and doctors who have been trained in a very good top institutes. Now presently in the world, most of the top institutes or hospitals which train the doctors, they are in USA. And if you want to get training from USA and you want to become a great doctor, right, then of course to get residency there or training there, or I must say to earn and learn in USA, one of the very basic requirement is that you have to pass the USMLE exams, United States Medical Licensure exam, right? So I have some very good news, exciting news for you that I, Dr. Najeeb, and with me there are many other doctors who are the top educators in the world. We have made a team and we are present at the Unacademy platform at USMLE Step 1, right? And what we are going to do that we are going to train you there for the USMLE exam, and so that you can ace the exam, not only high score but also very good concepts, right? So for me, if I introduce myself, I'm Dr. Najeeb. I've been teaching medical sciences from last 30 plus years, right? And you know that I teach on the whiteboard, and on the whiteboard I draw the diagrams, and you know that diagrams are make the very complex concept very simple, right? I always say the diagrams are basically a language of cavemen. Even cavemen understood the diagrams. So what I want to say, at Unacademy, when you join us, right, we already have 800 plus comprehensive lectures, 800 hours plus comprehensive lectures with which are thorough or which are detailed, or we can say they are foundation lectures, and these lectures which are already pre-recorded, right? You are not supposed to watch all of these 800 lectures, but wherever in the medical topic you have difficulty, for example, if you have difficulty in understanding the arrhythmias or mechanisms of arrhythmias, right, you can go and watch these foundation lectures or comprehensive lectures. Or for example, in cardiac failure you are having trouble, or in some you can say neurological disorder, in understanding your foundations are weak, you can go and watch these lectures, right? So these lectures you will watch selectively. 800 plus lectures are already there, and we will be adding more lectures to these category of comprehensive lectures. With that, secondly, we will be adding there review lectures. Review lectures will be short, crispy, and extremely focused for USMLE high yield content, right? And those lectures will be about 300 plus, and these lectures will be made available in a phased manner, right? Every month more and more lectures will be added to the library, right? And number 3 feature which is there, that there are very high quality MCQs, about 3000 plus MCQs, which will be every month added gradually and in a phased manner. And the beauty of these MCQs are that these MCQs will be made by every professor who is giving the lectures. Now, a little things about a little concept which I want to make clear, that at Unacademy, I'm not alone. With me, there's a group of top educators from the world, right? Thanks God, this time I'm not alone. They're very good doctors. I must say the Unacademy has hired the faculty for USMLE, which is second to none. What we are going to do? We are going to make, yes, I'm repeating it, we are going to make one of the world best course which should be one-stop solution for the USMLE. You will have the foundation lectures or comprehensive lectures, you will have the review lectures, you will have the MCQs, right, and even mock exams. And now, as we are starting, even though the real price is high, that is $9.99 US, but for the early bird early birds, right, there's a great discount, it's really great discount, 80% discount, right? It means that if you buy now, right, you have to pay only $199. And for my very beloved students, I've requested them that give a special referral code. So if you add the referral code Najeeb10 on the checkout process, you get further 10% discount, and you have to pay only $179, and this is yearly subscription. This is yearly subscription that with paying now $179 for full 1 year, so many good doctors, not good, not very good, one of the top iconic teachers of the world will be teaching you, right? Now, another important thing is that this offer is only good for up to 23rd of this month, up to 23rd of February 2022, right? So I think if you really want to learn USMLE, ace the exam, go to USA, want to learn from great institutes or great hospitals, work in the great hospitals, right, then you should hurry up, join this course, clear your concepts, and start your preparation right away for the USMLE, right? Further details are available on the website, right? Now, one thing which I want to mention to you guys, that while I'm talking about that you can get it for $179, basically these $179 are not really that important. What is important? Your career. What is important? That you are passing through a very beautiful age, and this is the age to focus on your career, right? And with small amount paying, right, if you can ace the exam, you can get entry in USA hospitals in USA, and you are trained very well, right? There's a very good chance that you turn out to be one of the great doctors in the world, right? And I will repeat it, due to these pandemics and due to what is happening in the medical sciences, as fast they are advancing, all of us need to learn more, all of us need to learn more clearly, and all of us, yes, I will stress this, all of us need to learn from the top faculty in the world. And again, I will assure you that Unacademy has assembled a team of the top iconic teachers, medical educators on their platforms, right? So if I was a student, I will buy it right now, right? It's not a matter of few dollars, it's a matter of my career. It will be a matter of my career. I always say that as doctors, we have a unique thing in our profession, that we serve the people. Even though we earn the money, but we earn by serving the people. We earn by relieving the pain. We earn by saving the lives, right? And what is the real difference between an average doctor and great doctor? I always say the real difference is the difference of concepts, the difference of training, right? I wish all of you, all my students, they should be trained from the best hospital in the world, right? And all of them ace the exam. And again, I will repeat the beauty of our profession, one more beauty, that our profession becomes our identity. Doctor is added to our name, and then we cannot remove doctor from our name once we have become full-fledged doctor. You know, it is stamped on us. Even if I die, people will not write, this is grave of Najeeb. People will, even on my headstone will write, here lies Dr. Najeeb. So you are young, so many years ahead, right? So you have to make your career. Don't think too much. Just join Unacademy. Pay the small amount of money and learn from the top teachers in the world. And then doors will open for the top hospitals in the world for you. My blessings are with you. Love you all, Dr. Najeeb and his team. Goodbye.
Unacademy. Let's crack it.